Think you know your way around car maintenance? Well, let's put that knowledge to the test. What does ABS stand for in cars? Options are automatic brake system, anti-lock braking system, advanced braking safety, auto balance system. And the answer is anti-lock braking system. Which type of engine is most common in passenger cars today? The options are diesel, electric, gasoline, hybrid. And the answer is gasoline. What color should clean engine oil typically be? The options are dark black, golden/brown, green, red. And the answer is golden/brown. How often should you typically rotate your tires? The options are every 1,000 kilometers, every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, once a year, only when tire look worn. And the answer is 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers. How often should you typically replace your car's engine air filter under normal driving conditions? Options are every 5,000 kilometers, every 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers, every 50,000 kilometers, and only when the check engine light comes on. The answer is every 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. How many questions did you answer correctly? Comment below and subscribe for more.